In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Workspace in just 5 minutes. If you've been curious about setting up a workspace to enhance your team's collaboration and productivity, you've come to the right place. Let's get started by navigating to Google Workspace. Trust me, it's simpler than it sounds. Once you're there, the first action you need to take is choosing your Google account. This is a straightforward step, but crucial, as it determines under which account your workspace will be created and managed. After selecting the account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. This step is standard security practice to ensure that only authorized users can create a workspace on your behalf. Take a moment to type in your password carefully. Once you've entered your password, you'll click on Next to proceed. This might seem like a small step, but in the world of technology, each click is a leap towards your goal. Now you might notice the square dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon. It's your gateway to various Google services, including Google Drive, where the magic of creating a workspace happens. At this point, you'll use the link provided to go directly to Google Drive, specifically focusing on the Workspace section. If you're familiar with Google Drive, you know it's a treasure trove of productivity tools, and what we're about to do will tap into its full potential. Upon reaching Google Drive, you'll see an option for Workspaces. Click on it. Imagine this as entering a room where you can create something new, a space that's uniquely yours in the digital world of Google. Now we dive into the creation process by clicking on Create Workspace. This is where you lay the foundation of your collaborative environment. You'll see a prompt asking you for a workspace name. Here, give your workspace a name that resonates with its purpose or your team's identity. This step is like naming a newborn. It gives identity to your workspace. After typing in the desired name, you're just a click away from bringing your workspace to life. Hit create, and just like that, you've successfully created your Google Workspace. It's a moment of accomplishment because in just a few clicks, you've set the stage for enhanced collaboration and productivity for your team. Remember, the workspace you've created is a versatile environment. It's a place where your team can share files, collaborate in real time, and keep projects moving forward all under one roof. The simplicity of Google Workspace lies not just in its creation, but in how it transforms the way teams work together. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. You're now ready to explore and make the most out of your Google Workspace. Dive in, explore, and watch as your team's collaboration reaches new heights.